In this video, we're going to show you how to create and customize abandoned cart recovery emails in Shopify. Abandoned cart recovery emails are one of the most powerful tools for increasing sales. When a customer adds products to their cart but leaves without completing checkout, Shopify can automatically send them a reminder email encouraging them to return and finish their purchase. These emails help recover lost revenue, improve conversion rates, and gently remind customers about products they were already interested in. The good news is that Shopify includes built-in abandoned cart email automation that you can customize without needing any coding. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable abandoned cart emails, edit the message, and optimize them for better conversions. So let's get started. The first method is to enable abandoned cart recovery in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Settings, then click Checkout or Notifications depending on your Shopify version. Find the Abandoned Checkout or Abandoned Cart email settings. Make sure the automation is enabled so Shopify can automatically send recovery emails. Next, customize the email template. Go to the Notification Editor and open the Abandoned Cart email template. You can edit the subject line, message content, and design to match your brand tone. Make sure the email clearly reminds the customer what they left behind and includes a direct link back to their cart. Next, optimize the timing of your emails. Many stores send the first abandoned cart email within 1 hour, followed by a second reminder after 24 hours. Timing is important because sending the email too late can reduce recovery chances. You should also consider personalizing the message whenever possible. Use dynamic fields like the customer's name and the exact products left in their cart to make the email feel more relevant and engaging. Next, consider adding an incentive. Some stores offer a small discount or free shipping to encourage customers to complete their purchase. However, use this carefully so you don't reduce profit unnecessarily on customers who would have purchased anyway. Finally, test your abandoned cart recovery flow. Create a test order, leave items in the cart, and verify that the recovery email is sent correctly. Check both desktop and mobile views to ensure the email displays properly. In most situations, these steps are enough to fully set up and optimize abandoned cart recovery emails in Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, enable abandoned cart email automation in Shopify. Second, customize the email content and design. And third, optimize timing, personalization, and testing for better recovery rates. Remember that abandoned cart emails are one of the highest converting email types in e-commerce. Small improvements in timing, messaging, and incentives can significantly increase recovered revenue over time. And that's how to create and customize abandoned cart recovery emails in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.